Hi, my name's Cory Jacoby. I'm the lead interior designer for our custom window treatment business called Jacoby Company. And here I bring you to a beautiful home in Westlake Village. It's kind of a Santa Barbara style home. It's absolutely fantastic. It must be probably 5,000 square feet or 6,000 square feet. And this home, in this room, we completely decorated it. We did all the custom window treatments, were fabulous. My husband Gary, I will introduce you to in one second, he did all the installations. We picked out the most beautiful fabric and the hardware to match to make it feel like a Santa Barbara home. And we have the complete view outside, which is fantastic. And Gary's going to tell us a little bit about the installation because although I think I'm all that in a bag of chips, I couldn't do it without him. So roll it, Gary.
In other words, I make you who you are.
Yeah, I do, kind of.
I make you look good.
All right, go ahead.
You already look good.
Thank you.
I don't know what I do for you, but I do something right. Okay, so we did a set of draperies here. Instead of most designers, installers will take a drapery in this situation and make a pier like it is. But this, if I may interrupt you, my beautiful wife, and they'll usually split the drapery here. So it's like two separate draperies. At that point in time, when it goes across, this could have a separation here and you see drywall. Not a very good look in our professional opinion. So we made one panel here. So when they come together, there is no exposure of wall. Excuse my back. So it looks much better. It's a much more of a custom treatment. Homeowner loved the idea, the concept. It came out exactly how I intended as installer. I am an installer, by the way. As an installer, it came out perfectly. In the corner, how we treated that, if I may show you here, with the door being closed, you have a corner grouping here. Instead of making two separate drapery tracks with finials, we made an elbow in the corner and it just came out fabulous once again, where we took the drapery panel itself, put them to the corners here, and you don't see the drywall itself. They just come together.
Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And the client is very happy and we're very happy. And we're now on to the next room. So we've done almost every room in this house and they've been happier than the next. So thank you, Jacoby Company, right?
See you in the next room.
Let's go.